Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. We have a problem facing us right now. Express 1975 correct to two significant figures. Alright, first thing we are going to look out for. We are going to look out for the number that is given. Is it in thousand, is it in hundred, or is it in millions? What we can see right now is that it is in thousand, so we have to maintain the size even after writing to two significant figures. That's the first thing we need to take note of. Secondly, we need to look at for the number, let's say two significant figures. Now, what we have here, we have 1975. All of the numbers here are significant figures. This is the first significant figures, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth significant figures. So what do? We write two significant figures. Now we have it as this is the first one, 1, 9 is the second one. Now we cannot just write 1 and 9, because if we look at the third number, which is the 7, is a significant figure too, is equal to or greater than 5. That is it 5 or more? Now we see that it is 7, so we have to round it up. We have to round it up. Rounding it up simply means that we are going to add 1 to 9 and make this number to become 0. So if we add 1 to 9, it will become 10, which means we write 0 and carry 1 to this part, which will give us 2. So what am I saying? Instead of writing 1, 9 as our two significant figures, we are going to round up. So this will be bad. So we are going to round it up by writing, because when we round this up, it will add 1 to this, it will give us 10. So we write 0 and carry 1 to this part, it will be now 20. In order to maintain the size, in order to maintain the accuracy of the size of the number, because it is in thousand, we are going to add 0 to complete the size. Because if you see here now, we have only two numbers here, 20, which is just these two. So what about these two? We have to add 2 zeros to maintain the size. So in the course of expressing 1975 correct to two significant figures, we will be having 2000 as our final answer. Why is it so? The significant figure represents thousands, so we must add to make it to the correct size. So you don't just write 20. 20 is not in thousand, because what we have here is in thousand. I hope my explanation is clear. You can rewatch it again to get the point. Writing 20 is not the same as the size presented, which is 1000. 1975 is 1000. Meanwhile, thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page, Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Bye-bye.